The state-of-art resources, innovative teaching, inclusivity and cutting-edge resources and distinguished faculties make my university ideal place for learning and growth. Congratulations to everyone as we entered the elite league of top 20 universities in India.
Being a part of university that is ranked among 20 in all India is really an incredible honor and a privilege. I feel really exhilarated and happy with my decision of pursuing bachelor's in computer science engineering at Chandigarh University.
CU is a great university with top-notch facilities, innovative teaching and a focus on inclusivity, all guided by exceptional faculty. I'm proud to say that we are now among the top 20 universities in India.
It feels really great and amazing to be a student of Chandigarh University, which is ranked among the top 20 universities in India. The ranking has strengthened my confidence that I am in the right place to pursue my higher education.
I'm really so happy to come all the way from South Sudan to India to attend such an incredible university. I'm really so happy.
My university has always set a new benchmark in national and international levels. Now we are among the top 20 universities in India, and I'm proud and extremely proud to be part of CU family.
This notable recognition reflects the university's world-class education and multicultural learning environment, making it a great deal for students like me, and it's a very proud moment for me and everyone else.
My university has achieved new milestone year after year, and I'm really excited and proud that we are ranked among India's top university. This reassures that I am receiving top-notch education at an institution that values its students. Kudos to everyone!